What's up, everybody? This is Matt Halfhill from Nice Kicks, and I just got something special in the mail. First thing I looked at was it came from Blue Ribbon Direct, so I have an idea what this is going to be. So a couple weeks ago, I did an ID for the LeBron 10, and let's just see if this is what I think it is. I haven't even opened it up yet, here for the first time. And sure enough, looks like I was right on that. Now, the inspiration behind these was none other than the Foamposite 1 in the original blue color. Let's see how close we got coming out. So even Nike has nice things in the packaging to protect the box. So they like double box as well as protect your box. So big ups to Nike on that. And you see Nike Plus enabled, LeBron 10 logo on the side. So without further ado, let's get this going. Even special paper, bam, here we are. So just a couple weeks ago, this was just an idea, inspiration I had, and now they're in. Photo blue upper, black swoosh, speckled midsole, clear bottom, LeBron logo, Nike Plus enabled, and of course, the black jewel.